As you can see, I bought another car. This is a R31 Skyline. As you can see, it's in pretty shit condition. Just picked it up the other day, so this will be my drift car. It's gonna need quite a bit of work on it, so there'll be videos going up of all that happening, but it's got the rear Venetians, pretty cool. It's a Series 2. I would show you what's going on in the back suspension here, but I don't think you'll be able to see. They've actually got a seat belt to tie down. They've welded a seat belt just behind the brake rotors there, and welded on there, and it's holding the springs in place because the springs are cut so low. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. Probably get adjustable rear springs. The front's got king springs in it. I'm gonna get some new struts, or maybe new struts or just shocks, something like that. Yeah, it's got a mini spool diff. The gearbox seems to be pretty decent, and the engine seems to run pretty well. So there you go. It's in the boot. Came with a pair of stockies which I can use for drifting, which is pretty nice. Interior, it's full of spiders and shit because it's just pretty fucked. We got a thermo fan, which is pretty cool. It's a nice thing to have for drifting around the track. It's already been semi-stripped with the carpet gone, but the rear seats look in pretty good condition. I'm going to probably take them out soon and see if anyone wants them. The Venetians are actually pretty shit. I'll just keep them in, I think. The handbrake doesn't work or anything, which is kind of shitty. So I just have to leave it in gear. Alright, let's see if it starts. The exhaust is the straight pipe from the extractors to the back. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. Pretty fucking hoopty. It was a skid car before I bought it, just for burnout, so there's no back brakes at all. That's why I need to get new rotors, new brake rotors and calipers, and then the lines. I don't know where they stop, because I see the lines coming from the master cylinder here, but then they go under, and I see them go down underneath the car, but I can't see them at the back, which is a bit of a problem. So I'm probably gonna have to get new lines for the brakes. Oh, this fucking thing's broken. Let's see if that worked. Nope. 1 second, I'm just gonna get the bonnet open, then I'll start recording again. Got the bonnet open here. As you can see, it's just a stock RB30 Skyline engine, battery and all that shit. It does have a bit of a leak from the rocker cover. I don't know if you can see that. A bit of an oil leak from the rocker cover, but that's not too bad of an issue. But yeah, it's pretty hoopty, but I couldn't be happier for a drift car. Let's see how loud it is. That's revving it up to 2,000. I'm going to turn it off before someone gets angry. There we go. Has half a tank of gas, which is pretty sick. Or fuel, I should say. Oh. Thermo fan isn't working anymore. Don't know what's going on there. Oh, there we go. Don't know what happened with that. But yeah, that's about it for this car. You'll see a lot more videos of me fixing it up. Not going to do anything about the shitty paint job because I couldn't really care. Couldn't really care about the paint. Looks hoopty, but it's going to be a drift car, so I don't really care. So the mini spool diff is awesome. Perfect for drifting. It's fully locked up. Heavy duty clutch I forgot to mention. Yeah, it's going to be great. My first drift car. I don't have a trailer or anything, it's not registered, so I just have to hire a trailer every time we go, which is not too much of a problem, but it would be better if we had our own. That's about it for the R31 Skyline. And yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you next time.